So we were just told that they have 4,000 different products, 4,000 different shapes, 4,000 different molds.
And we just heard that they are exporting for Walt Disney. So they do all the theme park decoration and the souvenir shops. So everything there is made in the Philippines.
Honestly, I feel like I've been lied to my entire life.
Yeah.
Santa's little helpers aren't on the North Pole. They're here. So here, this production line is almost 1 kilometer long. 1 kilometer. Crazy.
And this is just another example of excellent Filipino craftsmanship. I'm just so blown away. This video was brought to you by Squarespace.
What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new vlog. Today we're going to show you something really interesting. Today we have the unique opportunity to visit one of the biggest deco manufacturing companies probably in the world, and it's located here in Angeles City, the Philippines. We're going to get a tour of the place, hear a little bit about the history of this place as well, and bring you guys along. Wow, so this place already looks huge, and you see all of these boxes. They're filled with amazingly carved wood pieces. Stretched out through this whole factory. It is so big.
Yeah, and everything is getting exported to the US, or mainly to the US. And it's so much decoration here. And we are just entering. This is the delivery area, or the export area, where they get the packaging done. And now I think we are entering the actual manufactory, which is going to be very exciting.
It's interesting, they have this process here where they put bronze powder into a shape and then they add resin, so you actually have like a proper bronze sculpture that can be outside, it can be weathered, and it gets polished up here as well. So it's that's quite incredible. I always wondered how this is made.
Yeah.
Special kind of finish. It's an acid finish.
Wow.
You see, you get all kinds of tones. So they copper leaf and then they apply the chemicals.
Interesting.
So you get this very nice patina.
Yeah.
Quick little ad break with me and Tina. Squarespace is an all-in-one provider for your online presence. So you can run your business, you can run your blog, you can do whatever you want with a website, domain, e-commerce, you can sell stuff on the internet. And I personally, I'm not a tech girl, but I managed to build up our website in 1 hour. It was so easy, so intuitive to build it up. I just had to choose a template, put in some pictures, write some text, and that was it. I personally love the gallery function. I also want to integrate an e-commerce into our website. I'm currently working on it, so more exciting stuff coming soon. And if you want to try it for yourself, head over to squarespace.com/makingithappen and use code makingithappen to get a discount on Squarespace services for you.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, these are the horses for the carousel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow, look at these antlers. Wow, this factory is so big. I mean, we've entered like, I think the 4th or 5th room, and there are so many people working here on these really intricate pieces of art. So beautiful. And there's like this smell, the scent in the air of a mixture between like the wood, the freshly carved wood smell, and then difficult chemicals used to make the surfaces beautiful. Wow, look at this. So we just heard that a lot of the carvings that are done here are for Disney. So they have like carvings that go into theme parks, and I just saw like huge giraffes here. Here we have some cows. Wow, impeccable. Here we have ice cream cone shaped chairs.
Santa Claus sledge. Santa Claus sledge. And we just heard that they are exporting for Walt Disney. So they do all the theme park decoration and the souvenir shops. So everything there is made in the Philippines.
Wow.
So cool.
Just toning it down that it gets it doesn't look very kitschy. How do you call it? Kitschy. So it has a nice patina, as you can see here, no?
Yeah.
You see?
Natural
It has a
look.
patina.
Yeah.
They have to take everything here. You see this masking tape, it's so much work. It's incredible, so much handwork, no?
So everything is applied by hand?
Yeah, everything is applied by hand, yes.
So here we're in the area where they're producing for the Philips collection, which is supposedly a very high-end deco brand in the US. So it's interesting to see like every area. Oh, look at this. So every area here in this factory is its own like brand, or they're manufacturing for their own brand, which is like crazy. So much work.
That's crazy. We're entering the Christmas area, and I mean, seeing this all in real life is just so impressive and kind of overwhelming to see, you know, where everything is made by hand. And sometimes we forget that things are sometimes made by humans who put a lot of love and effort into detail. So especially with these carvings here and the, for example, the metallic
honestly,
effects.
I feel like I've been lied to my entire life.
Yeah.
Santa's little helpers aren't on the North Pole. They're here.
The different kinds of eyes. So this is the crocodile, this is the great white shark, yellowfin tuna, baby fur seal,
Wow.
Bigfoot. So funny. Yeah, and this is actually what I meant. This is a lot of love for detail. Every inch is made by hand.
The nutcracker.
Nutcracker.
Okay, so we are now in the molding area and we can see how all shapes are coming together. It's so interesting. It's quite an impressive surrounding, especially because you see these dinosaurs and like Christmas things and decoration. It's so much going on. It's quite interesting.
So here behind us we have this impeccable fossilized root system that'll actually be used to create a mold, so it can be reproduced in different, probably even colors and finishes. It's incredible. I've never seen something like this before. So we were just told that they have 4,000 different products, 4,000 different shapes, 4,000 different molds that are used to recreate these products, which is impeccable. And supposedly it's the only company in the world that has that much of a diversity. And they even have a almost lifelike representation of Nelly before she had her morning coffee. So here, this production line is almost 1 kilometer long. 1 kilometer. It's crazy. So really interesting to us was also they have over 1,400 workers here, and this company has a long heritage here in the Philippines. At one stage they were employing over 3,000 people when the company was still based in, I think, Cavite, but here in Angeles, when they moved from Cavite, a majority of the workers came with them, and right now it's around 1,400 people that are doing the manufacturing here. And we were just told all of these people working here also have like health benefits, social security. It's really good. It's a good working environment and everybody really seems happy here. So these are the abaca leaves that get molded onto the plexiglass? Laminated onto the fiberglass. Wow.
Okay, something that I can't get over with is that, you know, this material is on the furniture, and seeing it in the raw base and how it's actually prepared for furniture or for decoration is quite impressive. And this is just another example of excellent Filipino craftsmanship. I'm just so blown away. So here there are all the native materials and structures that they have. Just as an example, what can be done with it, which is quite impressive. I just put on my glasses on to see, but yeah, they even have coconut husks, a lot of different structures, colors, finishes. So you guys know that I'm a huge Christmas fan, and this is actually the Christmas section here. You see the nutcrackers everywhere. There's even Santa's sledge. You have Rudolph here. Yeah, look at this.
So we've been walking around here for around 30 minutes, and we were just told that this is just a third of the manufacturing. They have 3 times this size over in that area, which is just unbelievable. Wow guys, that was quite impeccable, quite impeccable. So the reason we came out to check out this whole manufacturing is because the same company, the same group is also producing tiny container homes, which we'll check out in tomorrow's vlog. For now, I'm just absolutely blown away by the Filipino craftsmanship that you can see here, the impeccable objects that they create, the designs they've been doing for decades already. It is quite stunning. Guys, if you enjoyed today's vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. Huge thank you to the guys for inviting us over to check this out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome, be positive, and make it happen. Bye bye.